Hello everyone, how are you? How everything is going on from your side? Well, this is Kachya Mishra and you know very well that I have promised you that from Monday onwards I'll start uploading my videos continuously, right? On a daily basis. So yeah, that's why I'm today here with a very unique and a very important topic for you, right? The topic is what is your own importance in your life? Right? What is your importance in your life? How much priority you give to your decision? It's not about only your life decision, it's about anybody's or any type of decision, right? Suppose that you have to take decision about any other's people or about any type of situation you have rights or you can say somebody has give you responsibility to take decision about any particular thing. So what will be your own, you can say your priority to other people decision or your own. Suppose that there is any other people who has lots of experience in that field or about their life more than you, right? So what will you think, that you will give priority to your own decision or to that person decision? So, and especially it is very important when it's all about your own life, right? So if you really give importance to your life, so according to me, experience doesn't matter. Yeah, I know it's looking very odd, but in reality, experience doesn't matter if it's about your own life. You know what? Sometimes people says that it is not compulsory to know our negative, or you can say to know about mistakes. It is not compulsory to do all the mistakes and learn from them, right? You can learn about that mistakes with experienced people, right? But it is very difficult. You can say different thing, or you can say you can't learn anything. Suppose that if somebody has learned, you can say either it can be about swimming or about car driving, about guitar playing, or it can be anything, right? But anybody can tell you anything, whatever they have learned in their own experience, right? So they can tell you about their experience, but it is not compulsory that your experience and other person's experience is same, right? If you wanna do something really, so firstly you should give priority to your decision, right? Whatever the I mean situation or whatever I mean whatever the problem, or you can say whatever the situation at which you have rights to take decision about anything. So firstly you should give priority to yourself if you really give importance to yourself. And yeah, one most important thing I want to say, that if you will not give importance to yourself, if you will not give importance to yourself, so how you can expect it from others? Tell me. If you are not if you are not, you can say, conformed, or you can say if you are not satisfied with your own decision, with your work, or you can say you don't believe yourself that you can take every decision very well or in a good way, good manner, so how you can expect it from others that they will believe you or they will trust you, right? So that's why firstly you should give importance to yourself, give importance to your own decision, trust yourself that you can do it, right? Especially it is about your own life, right? Mostly people think about their career, or you can say career. they ask with lots of people that what should I do, what should I not do, right? Because they have experience in that particular field that you have selected before, or you can say that you have selected. Suppose that you have started any graduation in commerce side, right? So obviously, mostly people think that I should ask with that people who have done their, I mean, graduation in that particular field. So they ask with that person. But firstly, I think you should think yourself that what you wanna do, right? Yeah, it is true that experience important, right? But I think at least you should think yourself about yourself that what you wanna do, because you know what, it maybe it can be your mistake that you have take your, I mean, own subject. Suppose that you have taken commerce, so maybe it can be your mistake as well. So would you like to repeat that mistakes again, right? Tell me. If you have done a mistake once, so would you like to repeat that mistake, again? That without thinking anything, you have selected any particular subject during your 12th. That time you don't, you have, it is still you don't know that what you wanna do, what you are doing that time. That time you have select any particular subject and you can decide your future on that particular subject. Because suppose that you have, I have already told you that you have select commerce as a subject in your 12th or in your first year, and if that time you will do that particular thing that is mostly people done do, so who take commerce in their life, like you can say BCom and all the things, right? It is not compulsory that you, if you have select any particular subject or any particular field, you should work on that only that particular field, right? You have your own life. You can take decision from your own life. So that's why, I mean, everybody's life change. You learn lot of things from your life. So according to your experience, what you think, what you have learned from others. It is not compulsory that if you have select any particular subject, so you should do your, graduation in that particular field, right? So that's why give importance to your own decision, whatever you wanna take in your life. Don't depend on any others, right? Because I just wanna say, everybody in your life has a different importance, right? But I mean, you know what I can say, that either you talk about your family, either you talk about your friends, or you can say best friend. You believe them blindly, right? Still, at that time also, you should give importance to your own decision, that what you wanna do in your life. Because you know what, if you have taken a decision on any other particular person, so that time at the initial state it can help you, maybe in monetary problems can't, you will you not suffer, because that time maybe can be your salary can be high, right? But if you don't like to do that particular thing, so after some time you will obviously get bored or get boredom, feel boredom that time, right? So if you have select any particular thing in which you are interested, so obviously you will give your 100%, right? So only money doesn't matter. Matter is your own happiness, right? So your happiness will be in that particular thing if you have to decision on yourself, not based on other particular people. So whatever you want to do in your life, so you should do according to your own perspective, your own decision, your own thinking, whatever you want to do, right? Because if you will, suppose that if you have select any particular field, with other people, or maybe it can be your family decision, right? And after that you don't feel good, right? So what will you do? I mean, you fail in that particular thing. So what will you do? You have to leave that particular thing at that time if you will fail. So why not it should be do start at the initial state? Maybe it can create lots of problems at the initial state when you will do against, or you can say you will do some different thing, right? And yeah, one more thing I wanna say, you know what, here people know only that type of people who are different, or you can say unique in this world, right? There are lots of dancers, lots of singers, but everybody has different unique things who are really famous in their life. Either you talk about any cricketer, either you talk about any singer, actor, politician, anybody. Everybody has different unique identity, right? Two both politicians can't be same, two cricketers can't be same, two actors can be same, right? Everybody has different things, right? So yeah, you should firstly find your own identity, then work on it. Not depend on any other people. Might, I mean, you can say how anybody can, I mean, give their own life to anybody, any other people hands, right? It can be your family as well, right? If you wanna do something good and you think that there is no harm for anybody, you are not harming anybody, right? You are not doing something wrong to anybody, so it's your own life. You should take decision for your own life, especially about your career. If you wanna do something different, so don't think that it is big, right? If you have take, if you have, you can say, what we can say, if you have started to think it, so you can do it. Obviously it can be any big dream as well. If you have, right, you can say, power to think about it, so obviously you can do it. So don't think about any others people excuses, or you can say people thoughts. Just do that what you wanna do, right? Yeah, that's it I wanna say to all of you. So thank you so much, guys.